Welcome to my YouTube channel. This time CBSE has changed the exam pattern. There will be two term exam. First term exam in the month of November December, which is completely MCQ based exam. In this video, I am going to discuss 10 most important question for class 10 from the chapter 2, which is acid base and salt. So देखते हैं क्या है question. हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इन which of the following statement is or are incorrect. So we have to find out the incorrect statement. Let's see the statement. First statement, the common indicators cannot tell us the relative strength of acid or base. This one is correct. Common indicator cannot tell us the strength, it just tell us the which one is acid or which one is base. Okay, as an example, litmus paper cannot tell us strength of the acid, it just tell that this solution is acidic and or basic. So option 2, to obtain an idea of how acid or base is substance is universal indicator is used. Yes, universal indicator just give us the acidic or basic, how acid or basic of a solution. Then option 3, universal indicator is a mixture of many different indicators. This one is also correct. Universal indicator is a mixture. And option D, if a solution turns universal indicators yellow, then it will be a neutral solution. This is wrong. If a solution turns universal indicator green, then it will be a neutral solution, not yellow, it will be green. Universal solution, a neutral solution turns universal indicator green, not yellow. So our correct answer option is D is the answer. Let's see the next question. दूसरा question क्या है हमारा? Which of the following statement is not correct? So same, we have to find out the incorrect statement. So first statement, all metal carbonates react with acid to give salt, water and carbon dioxide. This one is correct. Option 2, metal oxides react with water to give salt and acid. So this one is not incorrect. Some metal oxide react with water to give base also. As an example, sodium oxide, calcium oxide react with water to give base. Sodium hydroxide or calcium hydroxide they give sometimes. So this one is incorrect. Let's see. Some metal react with acid to give salt and hydrogen. This one is correct. Some metal react with water to give salt and hydrogen. Then some non-metal oxide react with water to form an acid. This one is also correct. So incorrect one is B. Our answer should be B. Let's see. So answer option B. Explanation is given here. So next question. अगला क्वेश्चन देखते हैं क्या है. Which of the following is used for dissolution of gold? So gold dissolution में क्या यूज करता है देखना है हमें. ऑप्शन ए है हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड, ऑप्शन 2, ऑप्शन बी सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड, ऑप्शन सी नाइट्रिक एसिड, ऑप्शन डी एक्वा all are acids, but option D fourth is a mixture of acid. Aqua is a mixture of nitric acid and hydrochloric acid, which is stronger than all of the above. So option D is the correct answer. Aqua is used for dissolution of gold. Option D is correct. So explanation is given here. Move to next question. So 10 ml of a solution of sodium hydroxide is found to be completely neutralized by 8 ml of a given solution of HCl. So here 10 ml of solution is taken for neutralize 8 ml. That means 10 ml जो हमारा सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड सोल्यूशन है वो क्या करता है 8 ml हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड को न्यूट्रलाइज करता है. ठीक है. सो इफ यू टेक 20 ml, अगर हम लोग 20 ml सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड सॉल्यूशन लेते हैं तो हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड सॉल्यूशन कितना लेना पड़ेगा डबल. यार 10 ml सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड था, यहाँ पे कितना लिया 20 ml. दैट मींस सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड जो सॉल्यूशन था वो डबल ले लिया गया है और हमारा जो हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड है वो 8 ml है. सो 8 ml का डबल कितना लेना पड़ेगा हमें 16 ml लेना पड़ेगा. सो लेट्स सी द ऑप्शन क्या है. ऑप्शन ए 4 ml, ऑप्शन बी 8 ml, ऑप्शन सी 12 ml, ऑप्शन डी 16 ml. ये ऑप्शन डी हमारा आंसर होगा. यही है 16 ml. ऑप्शन डी इज द आंसर. सो ऑप्शन डी. Explanation is given here also. So let's move to next question. Question number 5. The pH of a gastric juice released during digestion is, so during digestion, so gastric juice released or during digestion is hydrochloric acid generally. और डाइजेशन में स्टोमक्स में हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड रिलीज होता है, वही हमारा डाइजेशन को हेल्प करता है डाइजेशन में हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड जो है। सो इसका पीएच है लेस देन 7, ऑप्शन 1, ऑप्शन ए, ऑप्शन बी मोर देन 7, ऑप्शन सी इक्वल टू 7, ऑप्शन डी इक्वल टू 0। सो मोर देन 7 बेसिक हो जाएगा, ये ऑप्शन बी नहीं होगा हमारा। इक्वल टू 7 न्यूट्रल सॉल्यूशन होगा, ये भी नहीं होगा। इक्वल टू 0, 0 तो पीएच होता ही नहीं है। सो ऑप्शन ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर, लेस देन 7 जो एसिड का पीएच है। ऑप्शन ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर व्हिच इज द पीएच ऑफ एन एसिड। सो ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट। लेट्स मूव टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Which of the following statement is correct about an aqueous solution of an acid and a base? So acid और base के लिए कौन सा statement सही होगा वही देखना है हमें। Let's move. Option A, higher the pH, stronger the acid, and lower the pH, stronger the base. This one is not correct. Higher the pH, pH ज़्यादा होने से stronger the acid नहीं, pH 7 के ऊपर होने से base होता है। pH more than 7 is a base. So lower the pH, stronger the acid होता है generally, और higher the pH, stronger the base होता है। So this one is not correct. Option B, higher the pH, weaker the acid. This one is correct. And lower the pH, stronger the base. This one is, second part is not correct here in this statement. First part is correct, but second part is not correct. Lower the pH, stronger the, weaker the base होगा, ये भी गलत है। ऑप्शन सी, हायर द पीएच स्ट्रॉन्गर द एसिड, दिस वन इज फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट, फर्स्ट पार्ट इज रॉन्ग, एंड लोअर द पीएच वीकर द बेस, सेकंड पार्ट इज करेक्ट। इन ऑप्शन सी फर्स्ट पार्ट इज रॉन्ग, सेकंड पार्ट इज करेक्ट। ऑप्शन डी, हायर द पीएच वीकर द एसिड, दिस वन इज करेक्ट, एंड लोअर द पीएच वीकर द बेस। सो ऑप्शन डी इज द करेक्ट, both part of the statement option D is correct. So our answer will be option D. Option D. So let's move to question number 7. What happens when a solution of an acid is mixed with a solution of a base in a test tube? In a test tube, when we mixed acid and base, what will happen? So we know when acid and base react together, there is a reaction called neutralization reaction. During neutralization reaction, we have to see what happens. Temperature of the solution decreases. This one is wrong, not decrease. Neutralization reaction is an exothermic reaction. Temperature of the solution increases. This one is correct. Option number 2 is correct. Temperature of the solution remains same. No. Salt formation takes place. Yes, acid and base react together to form salt and water. So option 2 and option 4 is correct. So let's see the option. A, 1 and 4 not correct. B, 1 and 3 not correct. C, only 2 not correct. D, 2 and 4. Option D is the correct. So D हमारा सही आंसर होगा, D. Okay. So option D is the correct answer. Question number 8. Which of the following gives the correct increasing order of acid strength? So water neutral होगा, acidic strength, water less than acidic acid, less than hydrochloric acid. So water neutral है जिसका pH है near about 7 है। acidic acid is a weak acid जिसका pH होगा लगभग 4 का करीब। Then hydrochloric acid is a strong acid, so I think option A is the correct here. Then B, water, hydrochloric acid, acidic acid नहीं होगा, so our option A is the correct answer. Explanation is given here. Let's move to next question. Calcium phosphate is present in tooth enamel. Its nature is calcium phosphate. So number 1 is basic, number B acidic, number C neutral, number D amphoteric. So calcium phosphate जो present in tooth enamels, calcium phosphate क्या होता है? कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड और फॉस्फोरिक एसिड का कॉम्बिनेशन से बनता है calcium phosphate. So calcium oxide is a weak base. Another one is phosphoric acid is a slightly stronger acid. So acid and base, strong base and slightly weak base. So जिसका जो combination होगा calcium phosphate, this one is basic. So option A is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. explanation is given here. Calcium phosphate is a basic salt as it's formed by combination of weak acid, phosphoric acid, and a slightly stronger base. Weak acid, phosphoric acid, and stronger base, calcium hydroxide. So this one is a basic solution. Question number 10. Which of the following salt does not contain water of crystallization? Let's see the option. Blue vitriol. Blue vitriol contain water of crystallization because its formula is Cu4 5H2O. Then baking soda. Baking soda is another common name of baking soda. Chemical name is sodium bicarbonate, which formula is NaHCO3. NaCO3, this one contain, there is no water of crystallization in baking soda. Let's see another washing soda. This one is also contain gypsum, also contain water of crystallization. So option B is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. Baking soda does not contain water of crystallization. The chemical formula of baking soda is NaCO3, and the all other contain water of crystallization. Then washing soda is Na2CO3 10H2 CO2. Okay.